Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. So today's video is going to feature one of my favorite hair transformation styles to look at, and that is going from short hair to even shorter hair. So here we have someone who is getting an undercut. She does have a very nice design here on the side as well. Very chic, modern hairstyle. Absolutely love this hair trend. So then we see someone who has shoulder length hair. So she is going shorter with more of a pixie style haircut. Or of course, you can call this a longer pixie as well. Long bangs in the front, hair is cascading in the back area. Absolutely beautiful haircut. And then we move on to this bob. So it looks like the stylist is just kind of trimming the hair, shaping it. This is a very blunt bob. It comes to around jaw length. And then the stylist is adding in some curls for some texture. Absolutely beautiful. That bob has the Italian bob vibes. A bob that is of course trending right now. You can learn more about that one in the description box below. And then we have someone who is cutting their pixie. So she has the platinum hair color going on. This is one of my favorite short hair influencers to follow. She has the cutest hair tutorials. Looks like she's just kind of shaping up the nape area, the sides. Gorgeous. It looks like she just left the salon. So then we see someone with shoulder length hair. Bam, she has transformed that into a beautiful bob, complete with fringe style bangs. And she also went back darker with this chocolate hair color. So then we see this blonde take it up a notch with the pink hair. And then we see the styling and cutting of this beautiful bob haircut. So if you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps my channel out. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. I hope that you have enjoyed checking out these hair ideas with me. And I will of course see you in the next video.